Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our lecture number 9, how to calculate the gross profit and net profit. For calculating the gross profit or net profit, first of all, a trial balance is prepared. Below is the trial balance of ABC Proprietors as on 31st December 2002. Moreover, the ABC Proprietors has determined the value of closing stock to be 9,600. Now the trial balance contains furniture of 52,000, miscellaneous or other assets 21,000, sales are of 2,50,000 and purchases are 1,30,500, electricity expenses to be 21,300, miscellaneous expenses 2,200 and rent of premises 18,000 and taxes are 2,000. Balance in bank is 85,000, cash in hand is 15,000 and drawings are of 18,000 where the capital is of 2 lakhs and debtors are 1,05,000 and creditors are 30,000. The total of both the sides is 4,80,000. Please keep this trial balance intact. It will be used in this lecture and lecture number 10 and 11. So how to calculate the gross profit? For the calculation of gross profit, we need the amount of cost of goods sold. It is a tradition in accounting that profit is calculated on the goods sold. जो उस पीरियड में गुड्स फरोख्त की जाती हैं उसके ऊपर प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं. इफ ऑल द गुड्स विच वर परचेज्ड फॉर रीसेल आर सोल्ड ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड, देन द परचेजेस आर कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड. Then the gross profit will be, gross profit is equal to sales minus purchases because all the goods which were purchased have been sold. Generally, all the goods purchased for the resale are not sold during the accounting period. Some of the goods remain unsold. So we have to calculate the cost of goods sold. And in this case, cost of goods sold is purchases minus closing stock. Closing stock is calculated by stock taking. However, if we use the trial balance of ABC Proprietors, the purchases are 1,30,500 and the stock was 9,600. So the cost of goods sold is rupees 1,20,900. We have calculated the cost of goods sold to be rupees 1,20,900. So the gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales are rupees 2,50,000 minus the cost of goods sold is equal to the profit. Gross profit is equal to 1,29,100. Now we come to net profit. If we deduct expenses to make sales incurred during the accounting period from gross profit, we get net profit for that accounting period. Take the gross profit figure from here. These are all figures from ABC Proprietors trial balance. Gross profit 1,29,100. Less expenses incurred during the accounting period. Electricity expenses were 21,300, miscellaneous expenses were 12,200, rent of premises 18,000 and taxes were 2,000. The total expenses comes to 53,500. When we deduct these expenses from gross profit, we get 75,600 as net profit. Profit and loss in statement form. When we prepare profit and loss, we present it in so many forms. It is one of the forms, statement form. ABC Proprietors profit and loss for the year ended December 31st, 2002. Sales rupees 2,50,000, purchases 1,30,500, less closing stock, we got the cost of goods sold. When we deduct the cost of goods sold from sales, we got gross profit. And when we deduct expenses to make sales during the accounting period, we get the net profit. Here are the expenses during the accounting period: electricity expenses, miscellaneous expenses, rent of premises, taxes. The total expenses comes to 53,500. When we deduct it from gross profit, we got the net profit of 75,600.